Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what is low power mode and how to turn it on iPhone 17. Low power mode is saving your battery by limiting some features. For example, it'll limit the speed of your processor on the phone, which shouldn't affect typical use but may affect your gaming, for example. It'll also limit updating the mail, so you may not receive mail messages on time. It won't fetch automatically. Instead, it'll fetch, for example, every 30 minutes. Also, it'll lower the screen brightness. It will limit some other like networking features, and will also change the screen time and stuff like that. And if you'd like to enable it to save your battery, then you can simply go to settings, go to battery, and then scroll down until you see power mode. Go to that, and now enable low power mode. It may also limit 5G and some other stuff, depending on like whether it's close to 5G or not. It may just switch to auto 5G instead of 5G always on mode, because 5G always on always searches for 5G networks around you, and if you have a low power mode, then it'll switch to auto 5G. So if it connects to 5G, then it's on 5G, but if it's on LTE, then it's not constantly searching if there is a better network around you. It just stays on the LTE. I'm gonna disable the low power mode because I don't actually need it right now. You can see how I have quite a lot battery, but this is how you can use your low power mode, and I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.